You're here with Tutorial G, first episode of Tutorial Talk. Here to talk about business tips, barbering tips. Let's go. What's up, y'all? Tutorial G, and like I was saying, business tip number one I want to offer you is LLC, my brother. Get you a LLC, or my sister. Sole proprietors, partnerships, LLCs, incorporations. You get those, then you are starting off somewhere. You have an entity for your business name. If your business name is whatever LLC, turn whatever into a LLC. Turn whatever into the whatever Inc. or whatever LLC or whatever sole proprietor. Sole proprietor has to be your real name. Sole proprietor is just you solely operating a business without a name. It's just one of those things. What I would like to say right now as a barbering tip is the number one main tip that I have for you guys as barbers right now is subscribe to my channel and watch my tutorials on how to cut hair every Thursday. I'm dropping one. Another tip is to learn that cutting hair is just the bottom line of being a barber. The barber industry is so much more to this industry. But back to the business tip that I want to offer, because this reached more people. More people can relate to this than just barbering. It's about structuring your business, turning your hustle into a business, bro. Like, if I cannot listen here, I want y'all to see this. If I cannot stress anything, is that the information, when information is given to you, please use it. It's gonna help you in the long run. You want to turn your hustle into a business? Listen to this video, these steps, and your hustle will be a business. Some of the benefits of doing this, you feel better about yourself. I'm in my barbershop right now. Barbers Inc., Charlotte, North Carolina. Barbers Link Unlimited, to be exact. But if you once you take these steps and you really actually incorporate your business, legitimize your hustle, then you feel so much better. You handle things accordingly. You walk different. You treat your business different. Hustle is cool, but you want to actually get it done the right way at some point down the line. And there's nothing wrong with baby steps. But let's jump into this. Tip one: get a LLC, get an INC, get a partnership, get a sole proprietor, whatever. Well, first, before that, is create a business name. If you have a name for your business, then you can go get whatever entity it is that you would like to get. So you can get a LLC, you can get a INC, or you can get partnerships. There's different ones. When you're doing the application for your business, for your license, to be recognized by the state that you're in or whatever, then they'll explain all that. But you need to take that step to go turn your business into an entity. After you do that, you take the entity and you go to irs.gov, and then you put the EIN number under the name of your entity. That's step 2. You can get that at irs.gov. Step 3, go get a business bank account. You have to have the first 2 steps for an account with a credit union and then a major. So you can go to like State Employee Credit Union, Wells Fargo. If you want more, so be it. I would really appreciate if you guys piggyback in the comments. You know, spilling information, spilling links out there, I'm all for it. I don't know it all. I'm learning daily as everybody else. One key thing you want to do in this industry, in the barber industry, is continue learning. The day you stop learning, the day you stop growing. So, after that, you want to go to dnd.com to get your Dun & Bradstreet number. They help you with your business credit score and multiple other things you can read up on once you go on there. You take your business, your EIN number, whatever, all the information of your business, and you give it to the dnb.com online. They'll give you a number. You just apply for the number. It's no cost. So just like the irs.gov, completely no cost. The LLC, each state varies. That's a small step. You know, that's a small step to the big business I believe you guys can get. I believe in anybody, man. Just as much as I believe in myself, I might believe in myself a little bit more, but you know, you should believe in yourself a little bit more. Another thing is, after you get your DNB number, you want to try to find you net 30, net 60, net 90. Find some of those. Those are good to help you build your credit. And on a business tip, on structuring a business, that's pretty much all I have for right now. I mean, like I said, I can comment. I can do other videos on whatever questions you have. You guys have questions, man, feel free. Leave a comment. If you ever in the Charlotte area, my Instagram, my YouTube, come check me out. Book an appointment, man. Get that sauce. I'm laying them haircuts on you. Like my man Ha David said, I'm laying them on you thick. So another thing is every Tuesday I'm gonna do a different tips for different industries. Like I said, the restaurant industry, the food industry, the product industry, the logistics industry, whatever industry, you know, I come across a lot of people, and I will have them come and they will speak. So you never know what I'm gonna have for you throughout the Tuesdays that I'm doing my YouTube channel, and Thursdays for my upcoming barbers. You need to check out them tips I got. I'm doing tutorials on haircuts, step-by-step tutorials, showing you the clippers I like to use, showing you the methods I like to use, showing you the different type of styles that I like to cut. So yeah, just check me out once again. My YouTube, my Instagram, it's up there. You know, I'll put it up there so you guys can see, so you guys can subscribe, so you guys can go follow me. I always follow back. I would really appreciate, man. I like when you guys comment back. Please give me feedback. You know, without me saying it, that goes without being said. I appreciate the love, the likes, and all that. But I'm here to get this information out. We're gonna make it happen with it, without the likes. You feel me? Another thing I want to say is, as far as the tips on barbering, I would say always ask questions. Once you leave barber school, go back, ask questions. Whatever question that you don't know, go find somebody that you think would know and ask the question. And because it just can boost you, get you so much further. It gets you so much further faster. So always ask the questions. And on top of that, you know, find a system when you cutting hair. Find a system and stick with that system. Once you get that system down packed, then you will start to develop an eye to polish the haircut the way you want. Always find a system, stick with it. Like I said, I'll be showing you my systems every Thursday. Find a system and you stick with it. It's for, you know, aspiring barbers who just got to college, barbers who just now getting out of barber college. You know, I salute you. I wish you the best. But today, Tutorial Talk with G. Come holla at me, baby.